His favorite summer event is back, tastier than ever. We're talking about Food Truck Fridays. It all kicked off this afternoon in downtown Sioux City. That's where 9 different food trucks are set up at Pearl Street at the corner of 6th and Pearl downtown. Check it out. You can see them set up there. Always such a great event. Visitors could grab anything from coffee and specialty sodas to burgers, tacos, and corn dogs. Food Truck Friday has been a Siouxland staple during those summer months for many years, and one food truck operator says he looks forward to this event every week.
We haven't been in Sioux City a lot this year. We have a lot of events that take us outside of Sioux City, so it's nice to sign up for something like this that brings us back to our hometown every single Friday.
All right, so Food Truck Friday, it happens every Friday afternoon this summer. It starts at 11 a.m. at the corner of 6th and Pearl Street in downtown Sioux City.